In this video, we'll go through the steps of how to access CourseArc through Blackboard. First, navigate to the Blackboard course that you would like to add material to. Then click the coursework link on the left. Hover over the Build Content tab at the top of the screen and scroll down the list until you find the CourseArc Content Deep Linking option. Click on the option and you will be brought to a screen where you can create or link a CourseArc module to your Blackboard course. After choosing your preferred option, click the Select button. A link to the CourseArc module has now been created within the Coursework section of your Blackboard course. From here, you can click on this link to access CourseArc and create or edit material for your course.